Hey guys, welcome back to Pinku Drone, and today we have something special here. Brand new gadget that fits perfectly for my channel Pinku Drone. Let me open this box. Oh ho ho, look at this. What we have here, Antigravity A1. I was waiting for this for a long time. Okay, let me see, where can I open? For those who doesn't know what kind of drone this is the first 360 drone on the market. So when you open the box, we have a nice, I'll put the box on the side. We have super nice bag, some documentation here. The reason why I bought this drone is, I don't know if you remember this, I have this Insta360 camera. I really enjoy to use this camera. And what's gonna happen now, we are taking YouTube channel Pinku Drone on another level. Because we are doing this, but in the air. So when you open the bag, we have here this is a controller. I never used the drone with control like this, so it's gonna be probably a little bit challenging for me. Then what we have here, another pair of goggles like my Apple Vision Pro, and this is gonna be interesting. First impression, they are so much lighter than Apple Vision Pro, so I don't think I will have any problems wearing them for a longer time. Next in the bag is batteries, and this time we have docking station with 3 batteries, so that means we can charge 3 batteries at the same time. And I think this is the battery for the goggles, and probably 2 drone batteries. I assume, I still don't know, I have to figure that out. And there is a nice display here. You can probably see the state of the charge. And of course, the drone itself. The drone itself comes in a separate box, which is super nice for traveling. Oh my god, and it's so tiny. This drone, I think it's even smaller than my previous drone, DJI Mini 3. Huh. Interesting. So it does have a camera on top and camera on the bottom, which makes sense because this camera is the same, two lenses on both sides, and the image is just gonna stitch together, and that's how you get that 360-degree footage. Oh yeah, and we have another battery in the drone here. So we have three drone batteries and one battery for goggles. Cool. Okay, what else we have in the box here in the bag? Probably cables. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are probably inserts for goggles if you have if you wear glasses and you need a prescription or something like that, I assume. Okay, so we have this cable here, which I think is for goggles. Another USB to USB-C cable, and I think head strap for the batteries, I assume. And in this bag here, I think we have spare props and one small screwdriver to replace the props. Okay, let me lay out everything on the table here. I'm kind of curious compared to DJI. And what's even nicer, so if you put this right on the table, there is a big probability to scratch the lenses on the bottom. So there are like these 2 feet, I think, for the drone. So when you put it on the table, it's not gonna scratch the lens. So let's see what we have. We have those cables, that's okay, fine. We have one battery for this and 3 batteries for the drone, charging station, props, and the remote. So there you have it. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm gonna show you my first flight and how it looks to fly this drone. I'm super excited to try it out, and yeah, stay tuned. Please subscribe for future videos, and don't forget to like and share with your friends if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.